Florence Middle School Principal Dr. Ashley Bowling has been named Principal of the Year for District 7 North, and it's not the first time she's been recognized for such an honor.
Parent letter to go out, permission form.
It's business as usual for Florence Middle School Principal Dr. Ashley Bowling, working diligently each day to manage and maintain order as the school's leader. It's that dedication to students, faculty, and staff that earned Bowling a nomination and selection as District 7 North's Principal of the Year.
It was very much a surprise. It is always an honor to represent Florence City Schools and Florence Middle School because we have great things that happen in this building, and I'm just one part of that puzzle. So it's always exciting when the great things that are happening here at the middle school and in Florence City get recognized.
Just 3 years ago in 2021, then Assistant Principal Bowling was named the Alabama Secondary Assistant Principal of the Year.
It's shocking. It's a testament to the people that have poured into me and have helped me grow as a leader, because I just go and take care of kids and adults every day. I have fun doing my job. And so it's an honor that it's recognized by my peers and my colleagues, and it's exciting.
Bowling says for this district award, next steps include traveling down to Perdido in November. Following an interview process, if she's chosen as one of the top 3 principals, she'll be in the running for Alabama's Middle School Principal of the Year.
It is very hard going into that interview because they want you to talk about you. Because all I want to tell you about is the great things that happen here and our Falcons and how they lead out the Falcon way here.
Some of those great things Bowling lists are the pre-AP history curriculum that's been implemented for all students, which has led to an increase in history test scores. She also lists great performance in sports and the launch of the Falcon Period, a time in which students can work on their iReady paths, seek additional help in any class, and improve their character education through the iLead program. She says at Florence Middle School, the sky's the limit.
We're just excited about being Falcons at the middle school. And so I look for us just to keep going, just keep soaring. Because, FMS, that's where Falcons learn to fly. So that's what we're doing.
For Florence City Schools, I'm Jeremy Jackson. We are Falcons.